Springtime's a great time to learn that the Earth is not a spinning ball, especially if you live in New England or the Northern Hemisphere. Let me use the Gleason map to prove to you that the Earth is not moving and the sun is. And I'll explain seasons and everything, and even more. Check this out. First things first, if you look at the map, right on the left-hand corner, it tells you straight up that the figure June and December, the white represents the sun's position in his respective months at noon. This shows sunlight inside the Antarctic Circle for 24 hours. From June 21st, the sun moves round the tropic in a spiral circle, widening every day until it reaches its destiny on the southern or outer solstice on December 21st. So it's telling us that the sun circles around the tropics. The sun circles, not the Earth. Now let me show you this with a laser right here on this Gleason map, and I'm gonna make sense of this. Now here is your Gleason map. This outer ring is the Tropic of Capricorn, and the ring that goes right here around this portion of the world is the Tropic of Cancer. So the map is telling us that the sun, we'll use this laser as the sun. So the local sun will, during the winter time in Australia, the sun is circling like this. And you know what's interesting too? I mean, I'm doing this with one hand, so it's all messed up and the distance is off. But if you circle the sun around like that, you see that other light? That's a reflection of that sun, which would be the laser, and that could definitely be the moon also in some strange way. I have a feeling that something's going on. Anyway, when the sun is circling like this, right, this is the summer in New England because the sun is directly ahead, and then it widens every day until it gets here. And then when it gets here in the Tropic of Capricorn, it's as far as it's going to be away from New England, which is why we have winter. And the sun actually sets in the same location 3 days in a row, the 22nd, 23rd, and 24th. That's the winter solstice. That's because the sun for 3 days is as far as it's gonna be. And then it circles back inward. And we have our summer, and then it circles outward, we have our winter, circles inward, we have our summer. There were world-class astronomers that believed in the geocentric model, and it actually really explains what's going on. It makes sense when you do the research. Remember, NASA means to deceive in Hebrew. If you want to learn a ton, go to my website, get all of my books, become a member. It's $5 a month. You get my phone number, or just get my books, or purchase organic and all natural products off me, like soap and lip balm and deodorant. Stop using Walmart. Stop using these mega corporations that hate us. I love you all. This is for entertainment.